Today we're going to discuss how to create a spectacular holiday champagne soiree arrangement. I'm Erik with Craft AIFD. To prepare for this design, I've actually pre-strung a variety of different champagne gold pearls onto metallic wire, and I've kind of varied the different sizes and created varying lengths. Next, I took some contorted filbert branches and tinted them color enhanced with Design Master Champagne Gold. I've simply set them into place and then bound them with bind wire to connect them together to make a good secure base. From there, I've taken a half brick of Midnight Oasis and I've actually scored and carved it into a semi shape that would be kind of like a circle. And then I've wrapped the entire thing with waterproof adhesive tape. From there, I've slipped pieces of bind wire through the waterproof adhesive tape in various places and twisted it in a way that I can attach it to the branch. From there, I'm adding in these Rio Roses carnations. They're the big white standard carnations. They've fluffed out really nicely, but you can actually reflex them by fluffing them out with your hands so they're nice and full, and trim them to a very short length. This allows for quick insertion. Next, I've actually strung the beads in place in all different ways along the branches to kind of create some vertical movement and drama. As a finishing touch, I'm adding in these lime-colored Phalaenopsis orchids. If you seal off the stem where it was actually cut from the plant, it actually helps to seal the flower and helps them to last better. Add a little bit of elegance and drama to your next client's holiday party. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.